Hi, today in this video we show you this last minute paper craft for Halloween. This is a paper bat, in my case is a fridge magnet, but you can use this paper bat for as a decoration as you prefer. So let's get started to create this super cute and easy last minute Halloween decor. We will need a piece of black paper, a pencil, and then we will trace our paper bat. We will start from this part and then we will create in this way. Voila. Voila. Now we will need a pair of scissors and then we will cut our paper bat. It's quite easy. And then when you have finished, if you want, you can rub away with the rubber. You can cancel the pencil, or you can leave it in this way. It can be a sort of decoration. Voila. And then if you want to create many of these, you can use this part like this one as a template. You can trace the lines and it's quite easy. Okay, I will leave it this way. Now with a white pen we will need to create the eyes and this part, so we will trace here and here. Voila. And the eyes. Voila. And you can also trace all these in white. It's quite easy. Voila, our super cute bat. And you can leave the eyes in this way, or with a black pen you can add these details, and it's so nice and so easy to create this super cute paper bat. And if you want, you can use it as a fridge magnet, or you can hang this with something, or with a double-side tape. You can put a little piece of double-sided tape, and then you can hang this paper bat wherever you prefer. And you can create this bigger, and you can hang it to your front door. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.